Today I am teaching about the topic A Tale of Two Birds. It is said that there was a forest in which three birds lived. A mother bird and two baby birds. Once a gale or a storm took place in the forest, and most of the trees were uprooted by the gale or storm. The mother bird died, and the two baby birds were flown to the other parts of the forest. One of them came nearby a cave where a gang of robbers lived. The king of that country was on his way on the horse to prey a deer. The king chased the deer. The deer ran so fast, and the king chased the deer. The king lost his way in the forest, and he came nearby a tree to take some rest. He sat down under the tree and heard a voice. What was the voice? Hurry up, quick, there is someone under the tree. Come and take his jewels and horse. Hurry, or else he will slip away. The king was surprised to listen to it, and he looked up and found that there was a brown bird sitting on the tree. He also listened to the faint voices that were coming from the cave. He quickly got on his horse, rode on his horse, and rode away as fast as he could. So, the king again came nearby another tree. I would discuss the rest the next day. Okay, my dear students.